Welcome to this video tutorial for Access Nevada. In this video, we will review the functionality of the Annual Performance Report module for state users. We will demonstrate how to configure dashboard groups, data sources, and report templates. What is displayed on your screen will depend on your assigned role, and your experience may differ slightly from what is shown in this video. The Annual Performance Report, or APR module, follows a structured workflow that guides state users through configuring how performance data is displayed, reviewing results, and publishing dashboards and reports to LEAs. Each step builds on the previous one to ensure data accuracy, consistency, and compliance prior to publication. Configuring dashboard groups. To begin, click Annual Performance Report in the left navigation pane, and select Dashboard Groups. To align with federal reporting requirements, after entering the APR module, the year picker dynamically changes to Federal Fiscal Year, or FFY, instead of school year as displayed for the other modules in the system. At the top right corner of the page, confirm that Nevada Department of Education is selected from the LEA drop-down when configuring statewide settings. Then, select the appropriate federal fiscal year from the FFY drop-down. The FFY selection controls all dashboard groups, data sources, and reporting configurations within the APR module. Dashboard groups control how indicators and sub-indicators are organized and displayed on both the state and local dashboards. You must configure dashboard groups before adding data sources. To add a dashboard group, click the Add button in the top right corner of the page. In the Add Group modal, select the indicator from the drop-down menu and configure the display settings, including the sort order and whether the group should appear collapsed by default when the dashboard loads. Enter a description for the indicator group. This description is displayed on both the state and local dashboards, and is also included in the LEA and public APR reports. Once all required information has been entered, click Save. A confirmation message will appear at the bottom of the screen indicating that the dashboard group has been successfully added. Once the dashboard group has been added, it will appear in the table on the Dashboard Groups page. The table displays the configured indicator groups for the selected federal fiscal year, with sortable columns for name, description, sort, and actions. In the Actions column, you will see icons that allow you to manage the dashboard group. The Edit icon allows you to update the group's settings, while the Delete icon can be used to remove the dashboard group and its associated data sources. If no dashboard groups exist for the selected federal fiscal year, you can quickly populate them by copying the configuration from the prior year. Select Copy Groups from Prior Year, then confirm the action by clicking Copy Groups and Data Sources in the confirmation window. The system will automatically populate the dashboard groups and associated data sources from the previous year. Configuring data sources. With dashboard groups configured, the next step is to define the data that will populate those groups. This is done on the Data Sources page. The Data Sources page allows you to manage the data used to calculate and display results in the Annual Performance Report. Data sources define where indicator and sub-indicator data originates, how it appears on dashboards, and, when configured, how results are displayed across multiple fiscal years. To begin, click Annual Performance Report in the left navigation pane and select Data Sources. To add a data source, click the Add button in the top right corner of the page. The Add Data Source page will open, where you can enter the details needed to configure the data source. The Data Source field identifies where the data is stored, such as access. From there, select the appropriate dashboard group from the drop-down menu. The available options reflect the dashboard groups configured for the selected federal fiscal year. Next, choose the sub-indicator associated with the data source. The options displayed will depend on the current APR configuration. If suppression rules apply to publicly reported data for the sub-indicator, enable the Apply Suppression toggle and enter the suppression NMAX value, which defines the minimum threshold for suppression. You will also need to indicate whether suppression applies to the numerator or denominator. Trend data can be configured by linking the sub-indicator to prior fiscal years. Selecting Add Link allows you to choose the federal fiscal year and the corresponding sub-indicator from that year, allowing results to display across multiple reporting periods. In the Measurement field, enter a description of how the sub-indicator is calculated. The state target field displays the configured target percentage. For access data sources, the state target is automatically populated from the source module. Next, select the comparison type, which determines how the LEA result is evaluated against the state target, and enter the sort order to define where the sub-indicator appears within its dashboard group. Once the configuration is complete, click Save. A confirmation message will appear at the bottom of the screen, and the new data source will be added to the Data Sources table. This table displays the configured sub-indicators for the selected federal fiscal year and includes sortable columns such as sub-indicator, indicator, target, data source, sort, and actions. In the Actions column, icons are available to manage the data source. The Edit icon allows you to update the configuration, while the Delete icon removes the data source. If no data sources exist for the selected federal fiscal year, you can quickly populate them by copying the configuration from the prior year. Select Copy Data Sources from Prior Year, then confirm the action by clicking Copy Data Sources in the confirmation window. The system will automatically populate the data sources from the previous year. Report templates. With dashboard groups and data sources configured, the next step is to review and manage the templates used to generate the local annual performance reports. The Report Templates page allows state users to configure and maintain the templates used to generate the local annual performance reports, including both the LEA and public versions. To access Report Templates, click Annual Performance Report in the left navigation menu, then select Report Templates. The Report Templates page displays a table of editable templates used to generate the local annual performance reports. The table includes the following columns: title, description, last updated, updated by, active, and actions. There are 3 templates available. The local APR overview template controls the introductory section of the reports and appears first in the generated PDF. The local indicator template defines the header section for each indicator group. This section repeats once for each configured indicator group. The local sub-indicator template controls the results section for each sub-indicator and repeats once per sub-indicator included in the report. To modify a report template, click the Edit icon in the Actions column for the desired template. The Edit Report Template page will open. At the top of the page, the Template Details section displays the template's title, description, and active toggle. The title is system-defined and cannot be changed. The description can be used to document the purpose of the template or provide additional context for users maintaining it. The active toggle indicates whether the template will be included when generating reports. Below the template details, the Available Placeholders section displays dynamic placeholders that may be inserted into the template content. Placeholders automatically populate with data when the report is generated. To insert a placeholder, select it from the list. It will appear in the HTML template content area at the cursor location. Please note that the placeholders available may vary depending on which template is being edited. The HTML template content section contains the main editable content of the template. Use the editor toolbar to apply formatting such as headings, bold text, alignment, and lists. Placeholders appear in brace format and will be replaced with the appropriate data when a PDF report is generated. After completing edits, click the Save Template button to save your changes and update the template preview. The template preview does not refresh automatically while edits are being made. Changes will only appear in the preview after selecting Save Template. Once saved, review the template preview section to confirm formatting, layout, and placeholder values display as expected. Continue editing and saving as needed. To return to the Report Templates list, click the Return to List button. Changes are not saved automatically. If you navigate away from the page without selecting Save Template, any unsaved edits will be lost. The local annual performance reports are generated by combining the active report templates into a single PDF document. Report content is populated dynamically based on the selected LEA and federal fiscal year. 2 versions of the report are available. The LEA version displays results without suppression. The public version applies suppression rules in accordance with the configured data sources settings. Reports may include up to 6 reporting years of data, depending on availability and configured trend years. To access local annual performance reports, navigate to the local dashboard. Select the appropriate LEA and federal fiscal year. Then select View Local Report, LEA, or View Local Report, Public, to generate and download the corresponding PDF. State Dashboard. After configuring dashboard groups and data sources, you can now review performance results on the State Dashboard. In the left navigation pane, under Annual Performance Report, click State Dashboard. At the top right corner of the page, confirm the correct LEA and federal fiscal year are selected. To view statewide aggregate results, select Nevada Department of Education from the LEA drop-down. To view results for a specific LEA, select the appropriate LEA from the drop-down menu. The federal fiscal year controls which performance data is displayed. Performance results are organized by indicator groups. Selecting an indicator group header expands the section to display the associated sub-indicators and results, while selecting the header again collapses it. The order in which these groups appear, as well as whether they are expanded or collapsed by default, is determined by the dashboard group's configuration. Each indicator group displays an info icon next to the group name. Hover over the info icon to view the configured description of the indicator. When an indicator group is expanded, the associated sub-indicators appear beneath the header along with several informational icons. These icons provide additional context about how results are calculated and evaluated. For example, the comparison type icon shows how LEA results are compared to the state target, while the measurement icon explains how the performance result is calculated. Hovering over any of these icons will display additional details. If suppression rules are applied to the publicly reported data, a red suppression icon will display. A gray icon indicates suppression is not applied. Hover over the icon to view suppression details. Beneath each sub-indicator, a performance results grid displays data for the selected federal fiscal year. The grid includes several columns that summarize the results. The LEA column displays the name of the local education agency. State target shows the configured target percentage, while LEA result displays the LEA's calculated performance percentage. The LEA met target column indicates whether the LEA met the state target, with results displayed in green when the target is met and red when it is not. The LEA difference column shows the percentage difference between the LEA result and the state target. To view additional calculation details, click Show More Data columns. Additional columns will display including LEA count, LEA denominator, state count, and state denominator. To return to the standard view, click Hide Data columns. To export the displayed data, click Export Data to Excel. This will download all of the data for the selected year, including data for filterable categories. Local Dashboard. After reviewing aggregate results on the state dashboard, review LEA level results on the local dashboard. In the left navigation pane, under Annual Performance Report, click Local Dashboard. At the top right corner of the page, select the appropriate LEA and federal fiscal year. Selecting the Nevada Department of Education displays aggregated statewide results. To review and approve results individually, select a specific LEA from the drop-down. To approve results for all LEAs at one time, select Nevada Department of Education and proceed with approval. For this demonstration, one specific LEA has been selected for review. Review each indicator group to ensure results display accurately for the selected LEA. Expand each section to review associated sub-indicators. Verify the data for the selected LEA is correct. If prior years were linked during data source configuration, confirm that trend data displays correctly across fiscal years. To view detailed results for a specific sub-indicator, click the hyperlinked sub-indicator header on the local dashboard. This action opens the sub-indicator details page. This page provides a deeper view of the selected sub-indicator, including summary results and disaggregated performance data. At the top of the page, an information card displays the description of the indicator, as well as the description of the sub-indicator measurement. This information remains visible while navigating between tabs. Below the information card, two tab sections are available: Summary and Filterable Results. The Summary tab presents a high-level view of performance results for the selected LEA. Two graphs are displayed. The graph on the left displays the trend data, incorporating data from any linked prior fiscal years configured during the data sources workflow. The graph on the right displays results for the selected federal fiscal year. Radio buttons above the graphs allow you to toggle between bar and line views. Below the graphs, a sortable data table provides detailed results. The table includes the following columns: LEA name, federal fiscal year, state N count, LEA N count, state result, LEA result, state met target, and LEA met target. Select any column header to sort the table. By default, the table displays the most recent federal fiscal year first. An Export to Excel button is available above the table to download results. Select the Filterable Results tab to view disaggregated performance data. Filter options are organized into 4 categories: gender, race and ethnicity, eligibility category, and trend years. Select one option for gender, race and ethnicity, and eligibility category, and select at least one trend year. After making your selections, click Apply Filter to update the results. After filters are applied, the system displays a graph showing performance across the selected fiscal year or years. The y-axis displays percent values from 0 to 100%. The x-axis displays the selected years. Below the graph, separate data tables display filtered results by gender, race and ethnicity, and eligibility category. Each table is sortable and defaults to display the most recent fiscal year first. Export buttons are available above each table to download filtered results. When finished reviewing detailed results, return back to the local dashboard by clicking Back to Local Dashboard to continue reviewing or proceed with approval. After completing your review, approve the dashboard results for publication. Click the Approve button. A confirmation modal will appear. Review the confirmation message carefully. Selecting Approve will immediately publish the local dashboard results and associated local annual performance reports to the selected LEA. This action takes effect immediately and cannot be reversed without contacting your system administrator. Click Approve to proceed. Once approved, the Approved By and Approved Date sections are updated, and the results are published and available to the LEA. Repeat this process for each LEA as needed. The associated local annual performance reports are also accessible. To view and/or download the published reports, select the appropriate LEA and federal fiscal year. Click the View Local Report (LEA) button to view the full report available to the LEA. Click the View Local Report (Public) button to view the public-facing version of the report that applies suppression rules. State tracking. Authorized state users are able to monitor local dashboard approval activity on the state tracking page. In the left navigation pane, under Annual Performance Report, click State Tracking. The State Tracking page displays a summary of local dashboard approval statuses for each LEA and the selected federal fiscal year. This page provides a centralized view of publication status across all LEAs in the state. The table lists all LEAs and includes an approval status column indicating whether local dashboard results have been approved and published. Additional columns display the date the results were approved and the user who completed the approval. Use this page to quickly identify which LEAs have published results and which still require review. If results have not yet been approved for a specific LEA, return to the local dashboard for that LEA to complete the approval process. With dashboard groups configured, data sources connected, results reviewed, approvals completed, and publication statuses confirmed, the APR workflow for the selected federal fiscal year is complete. Thank you for viewing this video tutorial.